Okay, I'll show how the silicon here increases frequency response on the placed over the microphone, because when we listen to, when we're EQing a room and so forth, you got to take into account having, say, something like that placed over the microphone, because it's going to have a certain characteristic due to the ear canal. Our ear canals resonate at a certain peak frequency range. Due to things like fletcher munson curve, the frequency response characteristics going from sort of up here on the lows and then downward and then kind of up a little bit and then goes upward on the very high frequencies. So I'll put some pink noise and I won't talk because I'll excite the RTA analyzer. So there you see the frequency response increasing. So, it takes a little bit more to just EQ, put a microphone in a room and all this auto EQ nonsense, and microphone calibration and I don't know. It's like someone out there just wants to be hired just so that they can charge you at the end of the day a stupid amount of money just for equalizing. So it's just a bit of know-how, what to use, and this is pretty beneficial. This is it's whether I'm overdoing it a little bit too much on the high frequencies. Do I want to soften it down a little bit then with the EQ, and then because it will sound too bright or shrilly sounding or get a flat frequency response, and using bit of trial and error, and that's all it is. As long as you have the equipment, trial and error.